Hi, this is your girl Stephanie Renee coming to you with a freshly washed face. It's like jelly. It's jellyful. Hi everybody, this is your girl Stephanie Renee coming back to you with a freshly washed face. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Okay. This is all going to be about another product, as you saw in the description, is that viral glass skin instant resurfacing mask. It's Versed. Ooh. Now, I've been wanting to try this so bad. Everywhere I looked in Target, every Target I looked in, I could not find it. I looked all over the place and couldn't find it to save my life because people on TikTok have just changed the way of the world. So you cannot find things that go viral. So I had to go online and order it. I'm happy I did because I think I got it cheaper. To get free shipping, I bought the Keep It Supple body oil. I haven't tried this yet, but I shall. And then it gave me a free gift, the Advanced Restoring Serum. I'm going to try this out after I try out the mask. I'm coming to you with a freshly washed face. So, excuse the dryness, all that. And yeah, don't mind my lash. That's doing something weird, but whatever. Whatevs, man. It's made for aging skin and dullness. I'm not going to disclose my age, but yeah. AHA, BHA complex, and pineapple enzymes are in this. I'm familiar with AHA and BHA. I don't really know what they do exactly. They're supposed to resurface the skin and whatnot. And I haven't seen huge results, but we'll get into my skincare later. But neither here nor there. Let's get into this product. Okay, opening said product. Oh, it's like jelly. It's jellyful. Ooh. It has zero smell. Maybe it kind of just smells like water. I don't really know what to say this smells like. It smells like nothing. The directions are simple enough. You just cover clean, dry skin with an even layer. Rinse with cool water after 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get into it. Let's try this jelly resurfacing mask. Not sure how to really even scoop this into my hand. Do it. I probably should have used a tool for this. Ooh. Ooh. Now, I did recently have a chemical peel, probably a week and a half ago. So hopefully this, along with my chemical peel, does a little something. I'm fully healed from my chemical peel before anyone has the audacity to ask, should I add more or you think this is enough? You guys won't tell me. Okay, it tingles ever so slightly, but I guess that's the whole point of resurfacing, right? I'm gonna let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. I better have glass skin after this. You know me and my skincare. I don't care about anyone saying your skin already looks good. No, it's not perfect. I want perfection. I want you to look at my skin via a microscope and see no pores, no blemishes, no nothing. So I'm going to time this 2 to 3 minutes and come back, rinse it off with cold water. I'll be back with my specs. Don't stop. Don't stop. It has been the allotted 2 to 3 minutes, more so 5 because I forgot and I wasn't paying attention, but it doesn't burn or anything. It still has the same amount of small tingles, and I feel like that can be contributed to the fact that I got a chemical peel. And was that a bubble? Did a bubble just come off my lip? Okay. So now I'm going to rinse this off. See how it feels. See, I had a pimple. I still have a pimple right here, and it looks like it's already trying to suck it up. I don't know. Could just be in my head, but I want that to be the case, so that's what I'm going to believe. So yeah, about to rinse it off and see what happens. Okay, I'm back, and my skin feels like squeaky clean. Like, you know, I could just go, it feels squeaky clean. Of course, I pat dry, and yeah. I feel good about this product. Like, I told you guys I had like a pimple right here. I mean, obviously I still have a pimple right there, and it seemed like it was trying to like suck it out. So I feel like continuous use of this product would really help to clear your skin and make your skin feel taut. I'm gonna try this serum and see what that makes my skin feel like. 1 second. Okay, you all remember the serum. Woo. Okay, so it's pink, like a pale pinkish. I probably used a little too much, but I'm like the queen of excess, so that's fine. Clean, almost dry skin. Let sink in for 1 minute before your next skincare move. Boop, 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 boop. It smells almost like Christmas. It smells like tinsel and maybe a little cinnamon, burnt tinsel. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but you know, sounds right. But it's not a bad smell. It just kind of reminds me of Christmas. There's a light Christmassy smell. And I'm feeling freaky deaky. I can't be the only person that loves to just bust out in a random song. Who else likes to? Leave a comment if you like to bust out in random songs, especially if it just suits the moment. And even if it's inappropriate at the time. Random songs. Just random. I like how this feels though. I might need to buy some of this. It feels so lightweight. It's like you can feel it going into your pores. Maybe it's just me. I like this. My skin is like breathing. So, it has been 1 minute. I've let it soak into my skin. It feels nice. It does not feel like glass. I don't feel like it looks like glass. But it does look good. I feel like it's one of those things you got to use on a regular basis. It says to do once a week, ideally at night. So I'm going to try this out probably once a week, few weeks. I mean, I'm going to use this whole thing and see if we can achieve the glass skin, the suppleness. I feel like I need to add like a moisturizer right now. Mwah. 1 second. I think you've all seen this in my other video, my Get Ready With Me. I'm not sure if that's what it was, but either way, this is the nice ceramide 2% with BHA. Told you I know what the BHA is, but not that much. This is my everyday moisturizer. Whoop. I always use too much. Always go in with moisturizer after your serums. Make sure you go from front to back, just like when you wipe, front to back. Now my bags, on the other hand, that is hereditary. I will probably have to do some extreme stuff to get rid of this hyperpigmentation right here, but I'm always on the hunt. I will figure it out, or one of you will give me something to try that probably won't work, but I'll try it anyway because I am optimistic most of the time, some of the time. okay when I feel like it. Okay. I like it. I like the freshness. I feel very fresh face. Like I could just walk out and not go to anyone's event because, you know, look nice and refreshed. I like. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Well, that concludes our review of the Verse Resurfacing Skincare Mask. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you go out and try the product and you have great results. Please tell me about it. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. I love your comments. You guys don't leave enough comments. I want to know what you think. What do you think I should try next? Give me some advice. Whatever. Doesn't matter to me. I just like to commiserate. Okay? Once again, thank you for visiting my channel and coming to see me do random things. I appreciate the support. Please come back and see me next video. I don't know what I'll be doing. Probably another wig review. You just have to come back and find out. As always, see you next time. Bye. My hair.